To the energy market, where oil prices held steady on Monday as investors assess the outlook for ceasefire talks aimed at ending the Russia-Ukraine war, which could lead to an increase in Russian oil to global markets. Brent crude futures were down 8 cents at $72.08 a barrel, while U.S. West Texas Intermediate crude fell 5 cents to $68.23. Both benchmarks settled higher on Friday and recorded a second consecutive weekly gain as fresh U.S. sanctions on Iran and the latest output plan from the OPEC Plus producer group raised expectations of tighter supply. Now, Nigeria's heavy reliance on imported sugar continues unabated at approximately 98,000 metric tons in March 2025. Let's now take a trip to the commodities market. A group known as Save the Consumers has criticized MultiChoice Nigeria over the recent price hike on DSTV and GoTV services, describing it as discriminatory and exploitative. On February 24th, MultiChoice announced an increase in the price of subscriptions for its DSTV and GoTV packages. The development, which came nearly over 1 year after the firm increased its subscription rates, took effect on March 1st. In a statement, the group's executive director, Aliu Elias, criticized the 21% increase in subscription fees. The group highlighted the contradiction in MultiChoice pricing policies, pointing out that while Nigerian consumers are being charged more, South African subscribers are enjoying price reduction of up to 38%, along with additional channels and improved services. The NGO also accused MultiChoice of defying the FCCPC's directive to suspend all price adjustments pending an ongoing investigation. It will be recalled that on February 27th, the Federal Competition and Consumer Protection Commission, FCCPC, directed MultiChoice to maintain its current subscription prices until an ongoing investigation into the price hike was concluded, but the firm ignored the directive. Now let's head to the NGX market, where Olayinka Ojo has put a package for us reflecting on how the capital market performed last week. Let's see.
NGX All-Share Index and market capitalization depreciated by 0.94% to close the week at 104,962.96 basis points and 65.820 trillion naira. A total turnover of 2.902 billion shares worth 48.064 billion naira in 57,044 deals were traded by investors on the floor of the exchange. The financial services industry led the activity chart with 2.375 billion shares valued at 21.335 billion naira in 27,053 deals, contributing 81.85% and 44.39% to the total equity turnover in volume and value. The services industry followed with 177.345 million shares worth 3.194 billion naira in 3,829 deals. While the third place was the consumer goods industry with a turnover of 104.381 million shares worth 3.305 billion naira in 5,587 deals. Trading in the top three equities, namely Sovereign Trust Insurance PLC, Jais Bank PLC, and Fidelity Bank PLC, accounted for 1.497 billion shares worth 5.065 billion naira in 3,662 deals, contributing 51.59% and 10.54% to the total equity turnover in volume and value. A total of 44,709 units of ETPs valued at 3.368 million naira were traded in 102 deals, while for bonds, a total of 571,248 units valued at 566.818 million naira were traded in 33 deals. On summary of price changes, 32 equities appreciated in price during the week, 48 equities depreciated in price, while 70 equities remained unchanged. Olayinka Ojo for Business Express.
Let's now join Maria Adu for an update on global stocks market. Maria, is over to you.
Markets around the globe are in upward trends this afternoon. European markets edged higher after U.S. presidents hinted at tariff flexibility. Germany's DAX appreciated by 0.60%. We have FTSE of London at 0.20% higher. CAC of France is also up 0.28%. Asia markets are mostly higher on Monday as U.S. President's April 2nd tariff deadline looms. Japan's Nikkei 225 dropped 37,608 points, or 0.18% right there. We have Shanghai Composite also up 3,370 basis points, or 0.15%. The Hang Seng Index of Hong Kong is at 23,905, or 1.32%. Stock futures in the U.S. are mostly higher as this signals that equities could extend their recent gains further, raising hope the U.S. won't plunge the globe into an all-out trade war. The Dow is up by 0.08%. We have S&P 500 following at 0.68%. The Nasdaq Composite is also higher by 0.52%. On the other hand, African markets are mostly bearish, with South Africa GSE Top 40, which dropped 0.14%. We have Tunisia Tune Index also in red at 0.08%. Namibia All-Share Index follows at 0.23%, while Ghana was higher at 0.08%. That's an outlook of the global market today. I am Maria Aruzakar. It's back to Musa.
Well, thank you, Maria, for that update. Well, that's it. Business Express returns tomorrow at 9:30 a.m. Thanks for watching. Enjoy the rest of your day.